Hey guys, Brian Grant here again, and tonight I want to talk about another lock from that bag of seals he sent me. This LSDA cam lock. I don't have the little actuator thing on the back of put on here because I just want to talk about this thing. I hope that you pickers out there, I hope nobody's using these stupid things to secure the lock their desk drawers, because I'm going to show you why. Let's take this barbecue kitchen.
Ready to let go of Hep C? Ask your Hep C specialist about Harvard.
Get the tension wrench in the right position here. Get it in my position in my hand and
Get 2 Whopper sandwiches now for only $6. Only at Burger King. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Get out, right there. Get out, Bear. Bear, get out.
there. That's why.
30 minutes, 1 chance.
These things are so dang vulnerable. I'm going to do it again. There we go again. Turned again.
This is it. All new. Iron Chef Showdown. Wednesday night at 9. Only on Food Network.
Again.
You always pay your insurance on time. Tap one little bumper and up go your rates. What good is having insurance if you get punished for using it?
And again, and again.
That's
This
perfect.
4 times in a row.
Liberty Mutual won't raise your rates to your
Using nothing but a bomb the keyway tension wrench and a Southward City rake. This thing yielded 4 times in a row. Let me show you the darn key. That's the key. That probably explains why it yielded so quick. And yes, this is the key. And yes, this is the key.
This set doesn't look bad. International silver plate. 5 pieces gotta be worth $100, I think.
Yes, and this is the key.
And what do you think he's worth? 55.
This is the key.
$75. So we have the chairs at, you're right, $25 a piece. The 2 armoires, you put those at $200 a piece.
This is the key. This is the key, baby. And that'll show you. It works very smoothly.
Olympic films that were making them I think that thing goes on. I'm not exactly a potter.
So, folks, don't use these on your desk drawers or anything you want to keep a thief out of. These things are so damn vulnerable. This wasn't really a picture video. This was a video just to show you how easy these little LSDA cam locks, like use on desk drawers, just show you how easy they can be picked open. So, folks, if you've got little locks like this on your desk drawers, I suggest you pull them off and replace them with something more high security. There's a hospital in my area, a local hospital. They've got a desk up on the 2nd floor of their surgical tower. The drawers are locked up with what appeared to be mortise cylinder locks, and the core appears to be a Corbin Russwin LFIC, or large format independent core. Yeah, that's right, Corbin Russwin. I've never tried to pick a Corbin Russwin, but I heard they're tough. Well, I'm winning this video with this in. Stay safe, stay legal, and stay away from these little cam locks. They're so easy to open. God bless.